Hello students, today we will solve one numerical problem using using the interpolation with Newton's forward difference formula. Already in the first video about interpolation I have told you that if there is an equally spaced data, then you are supposed to use Newton's forward difference formula for the interpolation. Similarly, if it is an unequal or non-evenly spaced data, then you need to use the Lagrange interpolation. So in this case, it is specifically, you can see in the screen that there is a question. The question is, using the following data, determine the function using Newton's forward difference formula, and also find the value of f.5. So we and now what I will tell you that already I have shared the note in the Google Classroom, and my suggestion is that you should first of all you can go back to the note there where we discuss Newton's forward difference method and Newton's backward difference method. All this thing we have already done, so we are simply going to use that formula for Newton's forward difference method. So I hope you remember that. So according to Newton's forward difference method, any function fx can be written as fx naught plus x minus x naught divided by factorial 1 h del f naught plus x minus x naught x minus x1 factorial, let me make it a little smaller. So it will be x minus x naught x minus x1 divided by factorial 2h square del 2 f naught, goes like that. Okay, so this is from Newton's forward difference formula. Okay, so I hope all of you are much aware of it. So as usual, we need to make a table. Okay, so you need to make the table. Then we have this fx, and the values are -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, and then we have +3. So it is 15, then we have 5, then we have 1, then we have 3, and we have 11, and then we have 25. So this is the table that we have right now. Okay, so now what happens, we need to find out the values of, as usual, first we will try to find out the value of, is called del f naught. Okay, so difference of first order. So how to do that, you might remember the method for that. So we will start from here. What is the difference between 25 minus 11, and it is equal to 14. Then what is the difference between 11 minus 3? It is 8. Then 3 minus 1, it is 2. Then 1 minus 5, how much it is? -4. And then how much it is? 5 minus 15, that will be equal to -10. Now next we will find out del 2 f naught. So what is the gap? 6. Okay, what is the gap? 6, and then it is again 6. Am I correct? And this is also 6. Okay, now del 3 f naught, 0, this is also 0, and this is also 0. So there is no point of going up to the term del 3 f naught. So you can see in this thing, this term, and this term is enough. We need not go to del 3 f naught. We don't need the fourth term. Okay, So we will write down. So from here what do we get? What is the value of del f naught? What is the minimum one? This one, minus 10. Okay, here the minimum is all are same, so this is nothing but 6. Okay, so we have got del f naught equal to minus 10 and del 2 f naught equal to plus 6. Okay, that's all. Now using that formula again, we have fx equal to fx naught. I will write it down again. So it is x minus x naught factorial 1 h. Okay, so del f naught, and then we have x minus x naught x minus x 1 del 2 f naught divided by factorial 2 h square. That's all we need. Now fx naught, again go back to that. So this is what? X naught. This is x1, this is x2, this is x3, this is x4, this is x5. Similarly, this is del f naught, this is f1, this is f2. So you can see that here we don't need many terms. So if I ask you what is the value of x naught, so del f naught is nothing but 15. So del f naught is 15 plus x. Let it be like this, x naught means first value of x, that is minus 2. So it is, okay, so divided by factorial 1 means 1. Now we need h. What is the gap between each term? See, 3 and 2. What is the gap? 1. 2 and 1. What is the gap? 1. 1 and 0. What is the gap? 1. 0 minus minus 1. 1. Minus 1 minus 2 minus plus 1. So h is nothing but here. What is the value of h? H is equal to 1. 1 is nothing but the step length. So we have factorial 1 means 1 and h is also 1. And what is del f naught? Del f naught is nothing but minus 10. So it is minus 10 plus x minus x naught, again minus 2. Okay, and then x minus x1. What is the second value of 1? Sorry, x is minus 1. Okay, so we have x minus 1. Okay, and what is del 2 f naught? What is del 2 f naught? Plus 6. So it is plus 6 divided by factorial 2 means 2, h square means 1 square. So finally it is 15 plus x plus 2 into minus 10 plus x minus 2 x plus 2, again x plus 1 into 6 divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So fx looks like this. So 15 plus, let me do it, minus 10, sorry, it will be minus, yes, then minus comes out, so minus 10x minus 20. Then we need to do plus 3 into x into x, x square, x into 1, 2 into x, so it is automatically 3x plus 2. Okay, so 15 minus 10x minus 20 plus 3x square plus 9x plus 6, 3 2s are 6. So 15 plus 6, 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 minus 20 is nothing but 1. Then minus 10x plus 9x, so it is minus x, and then we have 3x square. Okay, so fx, how does it look? Simplifying, so I will arrange it properly. So it looks 3x square, sorry, minus x plus 1. So this is a function. Okay, and you have been asked to interpolate. So interpolate what? you are asked to find a value 0.5, just within this data. Okay, you are asked to find the value of 0.5 within the data. See, 0.5 is here only, so it is 0 and 1, so between them only we have the 0.5. so we are interpolating, so we need to find out the value of f 0.5. so it is very easy for you. So 3 into 0.5 square minus 0.5 plus 1, so it should be at around 125. That's all. So this is about solving a numerical, finding a function or finding a value or interpolate using in doing some interpolation using Newton's forward difference formula. So you can also try some sample problems based on this particular formula. So we have finished the interpolation section, including both Lagrange and Newton forward difference method interpolation. So if you have any doubts, you are free to discuss with me, so WhatsApp or email. So I have also submitted one assignment. To remember to submit the assignment on time. Any delayed assignment may come with some negative marking.